Hello, my friends. So, today we'll discuss the story of a mouse and the jar. So, let's begin with the story. So, a mouse got in a jar filled with grains. He was so happy to find so much of food with him. He felt that he needs not to run around looking for the food anymore. So, he started to believe that now he could live the life happily. But definitely after a few days the grains will end. So after a few days of enjoying the grains, mouse reached the bottom of the jar, and now he was trapped and could not get out of it. So what next now? To even survive, the mouse now had to be at mercy of others who would put some grains in the jar. He might not like what he gets, but now could not choose either. His life ends with the mercy and giving of grains is stopped. So his life ends when the mercy of giving of grains is stopped. So what lessons we learned with this story? So the first is short-term pleasures can lead to long-term traps and we could not even get out of it. So avoid short-term pleasures. The second one is if things come easy and you get comfortable, you are getting trapped into dependency. So be out of your comfort zone. The third is when you're not using your skills, you will lose more than your skills. You lose your choices and freedom. Then the next is freedom does not come easy but can be lost quickly. As we can see, the mouse got trapped. How quickly he got trapped into it. And last is nothing comes easily in life, and if it comes easily, maybe it is not worth it. So, we should not get trapped and get out of our comfort zones. Don't curse your struggles, they are your blessings in disguise. Share this story with your loved ones. Thank you.